And finally, EV Clinic troubleshooting device for DCDC, which is usually found in Electric Smart 453 EQ. In this process, it is reduced from 9 hours of troubleshooting to the 15 seconds test on the bench, because usually you need to assemble the complete vehicle to test it inside the electric motor. In this case, this is fully refurbished with no error codes, and we will present how it operates on the bench. This is docking station with connected 13 volts, ground, low voltage, high voltage, and real 12-volt battery. Here it's connected. Rapid made high voltage, 250 volts. You click start. Now it will emulate for 15 seconds complete charge process of small battery. And after it finishes, it will start troubleshooting with diagnostic protocol to see is there any OBD alert codes on the dashboard. Whatever you see here, it will be seen on the dashboard inside the vehicle. In this case, this one was successfully repaired. There is no error codes. Now, we will test one which wasn't successfully repaired. First this one, then the high voltage. And you can see the low voltage battery is not being charged because DCDC is still in defect. Now we will see which error codes this defect represents, because what you see here, it will light up the LED on the dashboard, and in some cases OBC won't charge the big battery pack. You can see it's still in defect, and this is example when it's completely burnt MOSFET on the power stage board, and this is the healthy one. The device is possible to order on the web shop, and the repair process of this device is not included. This is a separate EVC Academy online operation manual. See you.